Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of 300 MCQs of Jacobian to Restoration period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 264 up to part 11. This is part 12. These questions are very useful for competitive exams. So dear friends, यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 265. Question is, which of the following is a comedy of manners? Which of the following is a comedy of manners? Option A, the ladies not burning. Option B, the hairy apes. Option C, the Duchess of Malfi. And option D, the way of the world. The way of the world. So option D, the way of the world is the correct answer. Now question number 266. Charles first was executed in. Charles first was executed in option A 1646, option B 1648, option C 1649 and option D 1653. So the correct answer is option C 1649. Now question number 267. Malvolio is a character in. Malvolio is a character in option A Macbeth, option B Twelfth Night, option C Much Ado About Nothing and option D Love's Labour Lost. Love's Labour Lost. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Malvolio is a character in Twelfth Night. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 268. Which period marks the real moment of birth of modern English prose according to Matthew Arnold? Which period marks the real moment of birth of modern English prose according to Matthew Arnold? Option A, the Elizabethan, option B, the Jacobean, option C, the Puritan, and option D, the Restoration. The Restoration. So option D, the Restoration is the correct answer. Now question number 269. Question number 269. What does Dryden mean by the term concernment? Concernment. What does the Dryden mean by the term concernment? Option A duty, option B sanity, option C compassion, and option D infatuation. Infatuation. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is the correct answer of this one is option C compassion. Option C compassion is the correct answer. Now question number 270. The contemporary of Dryden whose reputation lies chiefly on heroic plays such as The Orphan and Venice Preserved is. Again listen the question. The contemporary of Dryden whose reputation lies chiefly on heroic plays such as The Orphan and The Venice Preserved. Option A Nathaniel Lee, option B Thomas Ordway, option C Nicholas Rowe, and option D George Farquhar. So the correct answer is option A Nathaniel Lee. Nathaniel Lee, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 271. Who tried to give a glimpse of the underworld of London in his The Honest War? Who tried to give a glimpse of the underworld of London in his The Honest War? Option A Thomas Dekker, option B John Marston, option C George Chapman, and option D Ben Jonson. So the correct answer is option A Thomas Dekker. Thomas Dekker, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 272. 272. The collection of lyrics Hesperades which were published in London in 1648 was done by. Again, the collection of lyrics Hesperides, which were published in London in 1648, was done by option A. Richard Lovelace, option B. John Denham, option C. John Suckling, and option D. Robert Herrick. So, which one is the correct answer? Option D. Robert Herrick is the correct answer. Yes. Now, question number 273. Now, question number 273. Holy and Profane State is one of the greatest work of character sketch. Who wrote it? Holy and Profane State is one of the greatest work of character sketch. Who wrote it? Option A. Robert Burton. Option B. John Earl. Option C. Thomas Fuller. And option B. Thomas Overbury. Thomas Overbury. So, option C. Thomas Fuller is the correct answer. Now question number 274. How many characters does George Herbert's The Country Person deal with its 37 essay? How many characters does George Herbert's The Country Person deal with its 37 essays? Option A 3, option B 1, option C 15 and option D 37. So option B 1 is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Now question number 275. If the form and style is elevated and the subject is trivial, the technique is dash burlesque. If the form and style is elevated and the subject is trivial, the technique is option A high, option B low, option C undistinguished and option D none of the above. So option A high is the correct answer. High is the correct answer. Now question number 276. Ben Jonson Ballpoint has two main characters who engineer various novel plots in this satirical comedy. One of them is Ballpoint. Who is the other one? Option A Morose, option B Mosca, option C Herrick and option D Jackson. So the correct answer is Mosca, option B. Ben Jonson's Ballpoint has two main characters who engineer various novel plots in this satirical comedy. One of them is Ballpoint and other one is Mosca. Now question number 277. Question number 277. In Ballpoint, the fun arises when Ballpoint feigns illness while Mosca, his parasite, shows his excessive fondness for option A power, option B reputation, option C tasty food and option D money. So option D money is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 278. Question number 278. As a moral satirist, Ben Jonson made it his business to chasten the. As a moral satirist, Ben Jonson made it his business to chasten the. Option A frivolity, option B worldly pleasure, option C humor and option D none of the above. None of the above. So option C humor is the correct answer. Now question number 279. Epicon or the Silent Woman by Ben Jonson is a prose comedy whose chief character Morose is afraid of. Option A lighting, option B typhoon, option C fire and option D noise. So option D noise is the correct answer. Now question number 80. Ben Jonson wrote a travelogue, name it. Ben Jonson wrote a travelogue, name it. Option A Foot Pilgrimage, option B The Peanuts, option C Sad Shepherd and option D The Staple of News. So option A Foot Pilgrimage is the travelogue written by Ben Jonson. Now question number 281. The metamorphosis of Pygmalion's image by John Marston was published in 1598 under the pen name of The Metamorphosis of Pygmalion Image by John Marston was published in 1598 under the pen name of option A. W. King Snyder, option B. W. Pinero, option C. W. Kissinger, and option D. W. Horatio. So which one is the correct answer? Option A. W. King Snyder is the correct answer. Now question number 282. Which of the following is a tragic comedy by John Marston? Which of the following is a tragic comedy by John Marston? Option A. The Courtesan. Option B. The Parasite or the Fawn. Option C. The Malcontent. And option D. Sources of Villainy. Sources of Villainy. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is question number 282. Which of the following is a tragic comedy by John Marston? Option A. The Courtesan. Option B. The Parasites of the Fawn. Option C. The Malcontent. And option D. The Scourge of Valiance. So option C. The Malcontent is the correct answer. Now question number 283. Perkin Warbeck 1634 by John Ford is A. Perkin Warbeck 1634 by John Ford is A. Option A. Comic history play. Option B. Tragic history play. Option C. Historical farce. And option D. Sentimental novel. Sentimental novel. So option B. Tragic history play is the correct answer. Perkin Warbeck 1634 by John Ford is a tragic history play. Now question number 284. George Herbert wrote a prose manual, A Priest to the Temple, which is a type of conduct guide for. George Herbert wrote a prose manual, A Priest to the Temple, which is type of conduct guide for. Option A. Palmer, option B. Knight, option C. Priest, and option D. Partner. So the correct answer is option C. Priest is the correct answer. Now question number 285. Question number 285. One of the earliest modern biographers who wrote interesting appreciation of the lives of great writers like Hooker, Herbert, Donne, and Barton, etc. is option A. Philip Messenger, option B. Isaac Walton, option C. John Ford, and option D. Richard Crashaw. So option B. Isaac Walton is the correct answer. Now question number 286. Question number 286. Question. Sir John Suckling is famous for his short lyrics which are composed in option A. Spenserian stanza, option B. Heroic couplet, option C. Petrarchan style, and option D. Anti-Petrarchan style. So which one is the correct answer of 286? The correct answer is option B. Anti-Petrarchan style. Now question number 287. Arcades 1630-34 is a masque written by. Arcades 1630-34 is a masque written by option A. Samuel Butler, option B. John Milton, option C. George Herbert, and option D. Ben Jonson. So the correct answer is option B. John Milton. Option B. John Milton is the correct answer. Now question number 288. Milton's father established himself as A. Surveyor, option B. Law stationer, option C. Money lender, and option D. All the above. So the correct answer is option D. All the above. डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हैं तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 289. मिल्टन्स हेड मास्टर इन सेंट पॉल स्कूल वॉज एन इमिनेंट स्कॉलर. He instilled in Milton a special fondness for Spenser Name the Milton's headmaster. Option A, Alexander Lucasta. Option B, Alexander Lawrence. Option C, Alexander Gill. And option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, Alexander Gill is the correct answer. Now question number 290. This is the last question, dear friend. Name the poet who composed Hymen to Saint Teresa, wherein his Catholic mysticism and his troubled life find a prominent place. Option A, Abraham Cowley. Option B, Andrew Marvell. Option C, Richard Cressa. And option D, Samuel Butler. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Richard Cressa is the correct answer. These are some important questions. Thank you for watching.